In this video, I am showing you how you can turn off auto emojis on Discord mobile in both Android and iOS. So firstly, what you can do from here is you have to open your browser, and then you have to go to the discord.com like this, and then search it in your browser. So when wait for it to open, and when it is open, then what you can do from here is you have to tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then here you can see the side menu, scroll through it, and then tap on the desktop side. And after opening the desktop site, you can see the three horizontal lines. Tap on the three horizontal lines, and then you have to simply log in to your account. Tap on the login, and after login, simply tap on the login, and from here you have to log in to your account. So login after login to your account, you can after login back to your account, then you can see this interface. From here you have to firstly go to the zoom in to the bottom left corner, and here you can find the settings gear. Tap on the settings gear, and then here you have to zoom out, and then tap on the text and images. Tap on this, and from here you can simply so to turn off this, here you can see the option of automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emojis. So you have to simply turn this off, and now you have turned off the auto emojis on Discord mobile. So that's it, at how you can do this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.